Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Kangana Ranaut's life is in danger now. Kangana Ranaut is one of the very few celebrities from the Bollywood industry who has been voicing her views from the initial days of Sushant's case. She was trolled badly by people and is also called opportunist by people, but still, she and her team kept on saying their views. But as per current reports, seems like Kangana Ranaut's life is currently in danger. Kangana Ranaut is staying at her Manali house along with her full family currently. Recently, she called the cops as the actress heard the sounds of gunshots near her house late night on Friday 31st July. Kangana has recently talked with the media regarding this. She said that the actress heard a loud sound around 11:30 p.m. The actress asked the guards to check about the sound and they found nothing. When the cops came, they also found nothing, but the actress is very much sure that she heard the loud and clear noise of gunshots, not only once but twice. The actress has revealed that she heard two loud noises of gunshots at an interval of around 8 seconds between the shots. She also explained that the shots took place right opposite her room. It seems to her like that someone was behind the boundary walls. Kangana Ranaut had told that on the side of the house there is a jungle and a water body. She is now afraid that it was someone's attempt to scare the actress, and now she is afraid that her life is in danger. She assumes that someone might have hired a people in Manali to execute the action to shut her mouth. And Kangana is being told that as she is questioning so much, powerful people will make her life miserable in Mumbai. But the actress has made a statement that she will not stop questioning as she thinks Sushant was frightened by them like this.